everyone, welcome to my channel. I realised that I had missed actually doing a flip through of our lovely daisy journal that we did, probably due to the fact that we've a bit of a hectic time in our family and things are just sort of starting to settle down a bit, and I've realised that I missed doing the daisy journal, so sorry about that. I've got a flip through to show you today. So forget where we left off, but I did finish it and decided that we would use it for the 1000 subscriber giveaway. So once I reach the 1000 mark, I will come back and do the giveaway. So this is the daisy journal, and this was the lovely kit by Mrs. Cog's Crafts, which I have earlier videos on, the kit and sort of the beginning of making the journal and a few bits and pieces that we made. So I've just tied it up with this lovely sari silk, which is a really lovely soft creamy peach colour, and I've put quite a long piece on there because I allowed space for this to be filled. So as it expands you might want more room, so I've allowed more room for expansion there. So we've got plenty of lovely long ribbon, and I've just threaded it through the spine here so that it can be moved if somebody would like it somewhere else, and it goes through this little hole in the back here so you can wrap it around. So the front of the journal, I think we've been through that pretty specifically with the last videos that I've done. I don't think I've added anything to it, so we'll just go inside. It has a lot of lovely crocheted lace. So on the inside I used these lovely papers here in the lemon and green, and then I have added a beautiful piece of crochet doily over here. And I think we discussed most of these before, so I won't go into a great detail. I'll just flip through and show you all the bits that I've added along the way. So we've got tags and pretty daisy papers there, sort of like journal spaces, so you can write something inside here and fold it up and tuck it away, and secret writing spaces. Or of course you could use the papers to make your own tags and things if you wanted to. Got some collaging over here, a snippet, cute little tags, and these all come in Mrs. Cog's lovely kit. Beautiful daisy girl there, isn't that gorgeous? She's lovely. And I think that she may have been a ring-in from Screechowl. I think she might have come from Screechowl, that lady, because I did add a couple of extra daisies that I found along the way. This one's from Mrs. Cog's Teddies, and it has beautiful daisies in it there. Lovely tag, eco-dyed tag that we did out in the garden one day. I have got a tutorial on how we did those. And so we went on and just added some pockets and some flips and the lovely papers. Really pretty journal. It's very sweet, this one. We've got some stamps added, and I think we also had a film on doing those and adding those to the book. I think we got through most of it, we just didn't get to the flip through. So here's a lovely pressed flower daisy from the garden, and that's in with another one of the eco-dyed tags that I made in a little pocket. Lovely stamp there. That's from the kit, beautiful daisy kit, and that lovely piece of trim, daisy trim from Boho Daydreams, her lovely packages. One of the pretty ladies there, paper dolls, and some of the Tim Holtz Sizzix flower dies and some little daisies there. So we've gone mostly with the yellows and the greens to complement the daisies. Beautiful pictures, aren't they? Really lovely. Oops. So we added the gold with the lovely gold tape at the top, and it's a flip up so you can have some secret writing underneath and then flip this over to hide it. It's beautiful paper. A sweet little boy or baby with the daisies, and the little girl fresh as a daisy. Another nice little pocket there. It's a really beautiful book, really lovely. I love this page, very vintage. And I think that lovely lady was from Paperdaisy. Some collaging on there with a pretty doily. Here we have the flip, which we also did a video on, tutorial, and I've just stacked that with a few extra like little tabs and things so that you can go through and add your own extras if you want to. There's a few just little bits of stamping and cute little things that you might want to add when you've done your own writing and bits and pieces that you like to fill it with. There's plenty of writing space in here. For once I haven't overstuffed it. Here's another cute little pressed daisy from the garden, which is sweet. And a little lace pocket with a stamp and a button. Some more daisies there. Another little daisy here, and over there we've got a stamp, which is a beautiful dandelion picture. A daisy stamp along here. Another stamp and a pretty little hanging, I don't know what you call these, little metal framed tags. And another pressed daisy from the garden. That's a very pretty one. Pretty daisy. It's a little daisy there that you could write on. Make notes. Here we've got a little paper clip on the side, which is just a little piece of scrap. Some more daisies in here, a little tag with some sticker on it. It's a nice little flip there, and that's actually a little bag, and I think I've added a few little extra goodies in there that you can use to just add some sweet little cutouts, some daisies, some pretty little bits and pieces that you can add to your book. So there's all kinds of sweet little things in there. There's that lovely daisy lady there, some little cutouts. There's a lot of cute little things that I've just added in that little bag there for you to use. So there, it added extras in there. A daisy sticker, cute little bird here on some rushes. Cup of tea with a daisy floating in it. Nice patchwork quilt pattern cardstock, which is nice and firm, so you could pin something to that if you wanted to, or something that needs a bit of heft you can add to that. I've got another flip out here for some more secret writing space and some notes. A little belly band over here, and one of those gorgeous Mrs. Cog ladies with the daisies. Beautiful. Some of my favourites, those. and some pretty little daisies hanging off the threads, and I've sewn it up with the waxed thread, linen thread. A little garden path, the other side of that cardstock, so you could pin something there too, or use it for adding something to fold in, or maybe heavier. Here we've got the daisy tag that I had sewn for the 52 Tags Handmade Challenge with Anne Brooke, and I'll put a link to that below so that you can find that if you don't know about that. Beautiful picture of a lady and a little girl in a daisy field. Some more dandelions. A lovely daisy. Lots of writing space, or adding space to put pictures and different clippings and things. So it's a lovely little book. A little tag there, and just a little folded piece of cardstock for a pocket trim. A piece of the wombat paper made from wombat poo, and a little tag there with some lace, and daisies in the back, and that gorgeous paper, which is actually a William Morris design, and that came from a collection of William Morris papers in sort of a pad that you buy together. And I've trimmed that with the lovely green grosgrain ribbon at the top, and there is the back. So that is our lovely daisy album. So you've got to have a little quick flip through, and as I said, I will draw that when we come to reach 1000, which we're not that far off, so it probably won't be too far away, you never know. So if you want to be in the draw for this beautiful daisy journal, just put a little message below and tick like and subscribe, and you'll definitely go in the draw for that one. So that's open to all, there's no limitations on that one, and I will let you know when I'm going to do the draw and who the winner will be. We'll do it online together. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.